Alright, we have Pink on. Fishing's been pretty sporadic and very nippy. The fish have been biting very sporadic and nippy. Oh, just missed one. Really? Come back and take it. Oh, might have had a little something going on there. The other one followed it right up. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Oh, come on. Missed another one. Come on. Grab it. There he is. This is a little dinky guy, but I'm still glad to catch it. I want my fly back. There he goes. We can catch his bigger brother. Pink seems to be doing pretty well today. Oh, man, that one whacked it. It seems like a lot of the hits today are happening when I let the bugger drop. I'm twitch, 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 and then when I stop twitching, they grab it. Again, thanks for watching Adam's Fly Box. The reason I'm here is because I got a lot more views than I was expecting on the woolly bugger tutorial, fly tying and fishing, so I figured I'd put out another woolly bugger video for you guys. And I want my fly back. I want my fly back. Oh, sorry, bud. Oh, come on. Let's get you in the water. And there he goes. Let's see if we can catch his big brother. Pink seems to be pretty decent right now. Caught a couple, missed a couple. Oh, missed another one. Seriously. Come on. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite bugger is. Oh, long distance release. Oh, and he stole my pink bugger. No way. Not cool. Well, pink seems to be the color today. Gotta see if I have another one. This is my last pink bugger. Hopefully this one tastes good too. So as I was saying, in the comments below, before I was rudely interrupted by that fish, let me know what your favorite bugger is. What I'm fishing is usually what I fish in this particular stream, and the variations and depths. Oh, dude, I missed another one. Seriously, like, man, I'm slow. Or they're fast. Or both. Come on, grab it again. All I'm doing is twitching my rod tip, pulling the string a little bit, twitching the rod tip. And a lot of times they seem to be hitting as I stop. And in this condition, there's 45-degree, casting on a 45-degree angle. I mean, the water is so slow, it's like fishing still pond water. You'd fish a pond the same way. Oh, come on. I just missed another one. This is bad. Sorry, guys. I'm pretty slow. I gotta get my speed back up. There he is. Oh. Foul hook this one. I want my fly back. Let you go. Man, you're a tiny little dinker. His gill's a little beat up. Get back in there and learn. Those big stripers in the tidal water in the estuary is only a half-mile downstream, and some of those stripers love to eat these little trout. Might have actually caught double my limit today and released. Definitely missed a lot more than I caught by far. I wonder if there's a school of them over here. gonna sit back down. Oh. Come on, grab it. You know, it looks like cotton candy. There he is. Oh, hang on, buddy. Stop. Come on, let me pick up a couple more. The one hole challenge was pretty good today. Stayed in one spot and just worked it with all the colors.